Playing the Touhou Project games and want to view your TQS score file? This is your high score and gameplay data from the popular bullet hell shooter series. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to access and back up these Touhou Project score files. Before we dive into the fix, let me quickly advise. A dedicated universal file reader is your best defense against formats like TQS. I'll discuss this preferred again tool later. This file is encountered by players of the Touhou Project, a popular series of Japanese shoot-'em-up video games. The TQS file stores the player's high scores, achievements, and progress for a specific game in the series, allowing them to track their performance and share their accomplishments. The TQS file is a small binary data file with a fixed structure. It's designed for fast reading and writing by the game engine to record player data, like names, scores, and character used. The format is often obfuscated or lightly encrypted to discourage trivial editing and cheating. For TQS, start with Touhou Project, Games, to ensure the header is interpreted correctly. Native Windows tools are insufficient for viewing all the file's raw data. Windows provides little insight into model or texture data, so compatible modding apps are required. Right-click the TQS file and choose Open With. If you see a category-appropriate option, for example, Touhou Project, Games, try that first. Otherwise, test a few different apps from the list. If your TQS file isn't cooperating, don't worry. Since the software rejected the file, we need to find the root cause. Here are the 3 essential steps we will take right now to isolate the problem. First, loading in Touhou game. Place the TQS file in the appropriate Touhou game installation directory, typically alongside the main game executable. Launch the specific Touhou game, which automatically reads the score file displaying high scores in the game's records or scoring screen during normal gameplay flow. Next, backing up score files. Locate TQS files in the Touhou game folder and copy them to a backup location to preserve your scoring achievements. This protects against data loss if you reinstall the game or move to a new computer. Restore by copying the backup TQS file back to the game directory. Finally, examining score data. Use a hex editor like HXD to view the binary structure of TQS files revealing partial scoring information. Some Touhou score viewing tools available on community forums can decode specific game versions displaying scores, spell cards, and statistics in a readable format outside the game itself. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. FileMagick is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.